In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up in Wave App Accounting. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Wave Accounting Sign Up page. You can usually find this by searching for Wave Accounting Sign Up or by using the link from the Wave website. When the Sign Up page loads, take a moment to confirm that you are on the official Wave page. This helps ensure you are entering your details in the correct place. Next, look for a button that says Get Started Now, or something similar like Sign Up for Free. Click that button to start the account creation process. This is the step that moves you from viewing information about Wave into actually setting up your account. If you do not see the button right away, check for it near the top of the page or in the main call to action area. After you click Get Started Now, you will be taken to a form where you can enter your information. The next step is to enter your email address and choose a secure password. Use the email address that you plan to use for your Wave account. For the password, choose something secure that you can remember, ideally mixing letters and numbers. In this script, do not worry about entering anything specific right now. You should simply follow the prompts on screen and make sure the password follows the requirements you see, such as minimum length or complexity rules. Once you have filled in the email address and password fields, proceed to create the account. Look for the button that says something like Create Your Free Account, then click it. This step submits your information so Wave can generate your new account. You may notice the page loading briefly while it processes your request. Now that your account has been created, you will usually be guided through a short setup flow. The next part is important because it prepares your workspace for your business. Follow the prompts to enter your business name, country, and currency. Make sure the business name is spelled correctly as you want it to appear in your dashboard. Also, confirm your country selection, since it can affect how taxes and reporting options are organized. As you choose your country, pay attention to the currency options that are available. Then select the currency that matches how you usually receive and pay money. This helps Wave display amounts correctly and can improve the accuracy of your documents, like invoices and reports. Take your time here so you do not have to make changes later. After you provide your business name, country, and currency, the sign-up process will bring you into your dashboard. At this point, you should see the main Wave accounting interface, where you can begin managing invoices, expenses, and other accounting tasks. If you are asked to confirm any details or continue through additional setup prompts, follow those instructions in the same order shown on screen. When you reach the dashboard, you are ready to start using Wave accounting. Spend a quick moment familiarizing yourself with the layout and the main menu so you know where key features are located. This will make your first few steps smoother as you set up your business details and begin entering transactions. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.